Hey everyone, imagine you're managing a team and you need to keep track of their performance. You have all this data, but how do you quickly spot who's meeting their targets and who is falling behind? Well, that's where conditional formatting comes in. Today, we are going to show you how to use color coding, data bars, and more to make your performance data easy to interpret. So, what is conditional formatting? Very simply put, it's a tool in Excel that allows you to format cells based on their values. You can change the font color, background color, or even add icons depending on the data inside them. Let's take a look at a real life example. Imagine you're tracking performance data where you have the target values, actual values, and the performance percentage. You want to quickly identify high performers and the areas that need improvement. Let's use conditional formatting to make this identification very easy. First up, we'll learn how to color code this data. So I have performance percentages here, but I want to see who is performing very well. I want to say highlight them in green. And who is performing below 90%, I want to highlight them in red. And who is performing between 90 to 100 are okay but need a little nudge, I want that to be highlighted in yellow. So when I say this, it looks like, oh my god, how will I do it? But within a few clicks, you will be able to execute this very easily. So I'll go to the ribbon and select conditional formatting. Go to highlight cell rules. Go to the first condition here, greater than. So greater than 100 is something where I want it to be in green. So I'll say okay. With the same selection, I want people who are performing below 90% to be highlighted in red. So I'll fix the criteria as 90% and below. You can highlight it in red and say okay. Again, with the same selection, between 90 to 100, I said I want them to be in yellow because they're okay, but they need a little nudge. So I'm just gonna use this. So that's how easily you can visually, make decisions where exactly you need to focus on. And you can instantly see that David, Emma, Hannah, and John are the high performers. Bob, Frank, Claire need some improvement, right? Now let's add data bars to the actual sales and see how data bars help us interpret, the performance of the team. So I'm going to select C2 to C11, go to conditional formatting, use bars and you can select any of it. And now, what is it done? It has added bars. The larger the bar, the better the performance is what it interprets when you use data bars. Now, let's make things even more visual by adding icons. We can use a set of traffic light signal icons to represent performance. Green for excellent performance, yellow for average performance, red for low performance. So let's see. Let's select the performance column D2 to D11. Go to conditional formatting. Go to icon sets. You have a lot of indicators. I'm going to select this traffic light. Basically, it means green means it's performing well. Red is where I need to pay attention. This is also one of the methods that you can use to interpret your data in multiple ways. And you can, in fact, these are all the built in functions that we have with Excel. Now, we can use custom rules also, custom formulas as well, to understand where exactly we need to pay our attention. So, in this particular data, if you want to understand if somebody in this two columns have met their target, how do you highlight that? So, it's very simple. I'm just going to clear this rule for a moment now. And I'm going to go to conditional formatting, go to new rule, select use formula to determine cell format and give a formula. If D2 is greater than C2, then I want it to be highlighted in green and just say OK. So now that you see wherever the team has exceeded the sales target, it is automatically highlighted in green. And that's it. We've used color coding, data bars, color scales, icons, custom rules to make their performance data more insightful and visually engaging. Now you can easily identify top performers, track those who need attention, and get a clear overview of how your team is doing at a glance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. Let me know in the comment section how you will be using conditional formatting in your own spreadsheets. See you next time. Thank you.